Guys, it seems like many people like the past video in which I experimented a hard hat with lava, actually molten copper. I asked you what else would you like to see in the video with molten copper, and a lot of comments were about Stretch Armstrong. But you saw what happened to him in the past video with the road roller, and I only have this Vac-Man stretch toy. And some more of your comments really like this idea, and I guess I'll do it too. Okay, let's melt copper and do that. Incredible. I thought that Vac-Man would just burn, but he was stronger than I thought. Although the food is damaged and small pieces falling out of him. If you wonder what's inside the Vac-Man, I have the video on the channel so you can watch it. Well guys, I just feel like repeat that, so let's do it again. Holy, just look at this! This rubber coped with the temperature of 1200 degrees. Well guys, and as the last time, I will show in my next videos the most crazy and unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.